สวัสดีครับ Hello welcome to Smiley Service once again we made on this last video and this video is customer number 219 it's the Macbook Air M1 model 2337 and the problems is the screen is broken or cracked. See that? Because of the cat bite. So if you're a cat lover, be careful with your MacBook. It very easily to break the screen. So don't worry if you break the screen. You have us at Smiley Service. We have service for the changing the screen panel only without the backlight panel. Okay, so let you know if you have a problem, feel free to contact us as quick as possible. Okay, gonna see you on the next video. Bye bye.